that we have what we call the inferential analysis, and this is just basically hypothesis testing from statistics, where you try to make inference on the population data by making use of the sample data. So under this place, you try to use stuff like hypothesis test. We have the one way ANOVA, we have the two way ANOVA, we have the T test, we have the Z test, we have the F test. All of those hypothesis testing that you were running from in your statistics class. Yes, you may not do it too much, but then you do it here too, and it is very, very important in research and statistical analysis, to be precise. So yeah, you also do those things right here. And after inferential analysis, we also have what we call the predictive analysis. And as the name implies, predictive, you are trying to predict something. So that means you have like some couple of variables that make up your data set, and you're trying to use one of the variables or some of the variables to predict just a single variable. So obviously something comes to mind: regression. So under this aspect of things, we build regression models. So we have the likes of the multiple linear regression, we have the simple linear regression, we have the polynomial regression, we have the logistic, and so much more. But as a data analyst, you don't need to stress yourself so much. Multiple linear regression is enough for you. Leave the whole of logistic, binomial, and all of those things for the machine learning engineers, aka the data scientists. So the last one is what we call the prescriptive analysis. And as you can tell, it prescribes a solution. So in this case, you are going to be using everything that you've talked about, from descriptive down to predictive. Like, you're going to look at it and then use all of those information that you've gathered to actually make, or yeah, draw a conclusion. Exactly. English hard small, but more than no. So you're going to use under these aspects of things, you are trying to like make conclusions and trying to prescribe a solution, and that is where everything ends. So these are the 5 ways we can actually perform analysis in data analysis. So most times it starts with descriptive and it ends with prescriptive. Is it possible to combine like two or three? Yes, definitely, depending on how the problem is coming. That's just all of it. We'll see in the next one, and bye for now.